In this video, we'll be doing our weekly analysis on the pair US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from 5th to 9th December 2022. Now, US30 on a weekly time frame throughout this whole week, after making some small pullback to come all the way retest the low from the previous week, it faced some strong price rejection and closed this week with this bullish engulfing candle facing this strong price rejection over here by finding some sort of support right at these multiple lows over here. Now this kind of move shows signs that US30 is still looking bullish, that buyers are still in power over here, and you can also see how US30 is currently moving still in respect to a very strong uptrend line that looks like this over here, and also it is making a breakout of this major key level which has multiple major retest points over here. Now on the bullish side, if US30 does continue to push up, we have this next key level with multiple major retest points where we expect US30 to continue pushing up to continuing this bullish run over here. And if US30 does find support over here and this is a fake out, then we expect US30 to go for some pullback to all the way retest this key level once again, which again has multiple major retest points. Now if you give even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then we can see this strong bullish uptrend line that US30 is currently moving in respect to, and also we can see this key zone where US30 is currently facing support at and this strong price rejection at with multiple retest points. Now for us to look for trades on US30 on the bullish side, we need US30 to make a break and close above this high with further bullish momentum on a shorter time frame, and then look for trades for US30 to continue pushing up in respect to this uptrend line over here. Similarly, for us to look for trades on the short side, we need US30 to make a break and close below this support zone and make a breakout of this low with further bearish momentum for US30 to continue pushing towards this key level or any of the key zones over here. Now if you get even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame to look for trades on the shorter time frame perspective, now on the 4-hour time frame we have our support at this key zone and this key zone which we just talked about on the daily time frame, and also our resistance at this high over here, and also you can see the same kind of key levels and zones that you saw on the daily to weekly time frame. Now on the upcoming week, if we see US30 making a break and close above this high with further bullish momentum on a shorter time frame, then we can wait for some structure to be formed over here after that break and close happens, like some sort of ranging structure with a high and low on a shorter time frame. And after such a structure does get formed, then we can look for trades on the breakout of that structure with further bullish momentum to avoid some fake out traps over here in hopes of US30 continuing to push up, continuing this huge bullish run to come all the way retest this next major key level that you also saw on the daily time frame over here with multiple retest points. However, that is the most obvious move over here, seeing how much of bullish momentum that US30 currently has over here. But if we see US30 finding resistance at this high over here without making a break and close and making a breakout of this previous low and this support zone over here, then we can expect US30 to continue to go for some deeper pullback over here, and in that case we can start to look for trades on the short side on a shorter time frame in hopes of US30 after breaking a break and close below this key zone, in hopes of US30 coming to retest this key zone or all the way to make a retest on this higher time frame major support level that we just talked about on the daily to weekly time frame as part of its deeper pullback if it even makes a break and close below this key zone. Now you saw this key level on the daily time frame right around here, and also on the weekly time frame right around here. So that's where we expect US30 to go for some deeper pullback if it closes below that shorter time frame support zone that you saw over here or over here. And such kind of move could also be an indication of a breakout of this higher time frame uptrend line over here. But on a higher time frame point of view, we need a break and close below this major support level for US30 to shift towards a newly formed downtrend line on a higher time frame point of view from this uptrend line over here. So for now we can expect US30 to make some deeper pullback if it closes below this support zone or these lows over here, and you can start to look for trades on the long side, hoping US30 is about to continue this bullish run if it closes above this high over here. So that's my analysis on US30 for the upcoming week in multiple time frames. And if this video helped you guys, then as always please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video descriptions down below, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart so that you can see where all these key zones and trend lines are. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on US30.